DR 2383. In this we have to solve the system of equations. If I recall here, system of linear equations, that to system of linear and homogeneous equations. अगर यहाँ पर मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखे AX is equal to O matrix, homogeneous system of equations, this has infinite or non-trivial solutions. Infinite or non-trivial solution. Then determinant of A, that is the determinant of coefficient matrix, must become equal to 0. Another thing it is used is the general solution of trigonometric equation. If sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then general solution I can write theta is equal to n pi minus 1 power n into alpha, where n is an integer. आइए यहाँ पर ये सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस को यहाँ पर लिखें. सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस क्वेश्चन में जो दिए गए हैं उसको हम यूज़ करते हुए डिटरमिनेंट a इक्वल टू 0 लिखेंगे. पहला इक्वेशन साइन 3 थीटा माइनस साइन 1 और 1 है कोएफिशिएंट्स. आई एम राइटिंग हियर डिटरमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0, साइन 3 थीटा माइनस 1 1, कॉस 2 थीटा 4 3 2 7 7. अब ये डिटरमिनेंट को हम एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं. अगर हम पहले रो से एक्सपैंड करें तो साइन 3 थीटा है यहाँ पर 7 4 28 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 21 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1 इंटू that is 7 cos 2 theta, this into this minus this, plus 1 into this into this minus this, 7 cos 2 theta minus 8. Now we will solve this equation. Here it is 28 minus 21, that is 7 sin 3 theta minus of minus plus 7 cos 2 theta. Here it is minus 6 plus 7 cos 2 theta minus 8. I can say that these two add up will give you 14, and here this and this will add up will give you 14. I divide by 7. Then I will get here it is sin 3 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 7. I divide by 7, therefore we will get 2, and here it is equal to 2. Now in this equation I can say that I will convert this in terms of, here it is sin. Sin 3 theta can be written as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Like this, cos 3 theta also I can write, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. I am writing here 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This one 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and here it is minus 2. If I further expand this plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, and here it is minus 4 sin cube theta minus 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. I can say that sin theta with a minus sign, 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta plus minus 3 equal to 0. Now I will solve this equation, that is sin theta equal to 0. Another thing is this, I can write 4 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. I am finding the factors of this, which is a pseudo quadratic equation. Here it is, I can say from these two, 2 sin theta if I take common, 2 sin theta minus 1. From these two terms, if I take 3 common, from this I am getting one factor 2 sin theta minus 1, another factor 2 sin theta plus 3. If I write 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, or I can write 2 sin theta plus 3 equal to 0. Thus this factor will give you sin theta is equal to minus 3 by 2. Value of sin theta cannot become less than minus 1. Therefore I reject this. From here I write sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. From here I write sin theta equal to 0. From this I will get theta is equal to n pi. I know 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6. I write sin theta is equal to sin pi by 6. Then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6, where n is an integer. This and this union will give you the answer.